Welcome back to the All Season channel. Today we're going to be changing the gasket on this Dometic air conditioner. I forget the model. I'll put it in later. But this is one of those that lag bolt down to the top of the roof. There's just smooth ceiling inside. There's no plastic covers or anything inside the camper, so everything's up here. So I'm gonna take you along for the ride. First thing we're gonna do is get this plastic shroud, the top off it. Alright, once you get that top off that shroud, this styrofoam block on this particular air conditioner has to come off. And it actually just sets on there. What we're going to do is change the gasket on this today because the customer's been having trouble with this thing leaking. And on this one, in order to change the gasket, we're going to have to unwire it because the way the gasket's made, we can't get the new gasket on unless we unwire it first. So probably not going to be able to show you that. I'm just going to, everything's wire nutted. We'll just put everything color. The AC wires they just use a plug. So we'll get that done and get back to you. Alright, I got all the wiring undone that I need to get undone, and it's just as simple as recording which wire went where and putting it back exactly the same. Now these have lag bolts that hold this air conditioner to the roof. This particular one has 4. Sometimes you will see them have 3. Different brands will have different number. This one has 4. So I'm gonna get those lag bolts out, and then the air conditioner comes up. We just change the seal and put it back down. Put this down, protect the roof. I just laid a towel down on the roof, protect the roof while we're here working on this. And here's the gasket we're going to change. It's pretty simple, you'll see. Yes, sir.
It's got its own self adhesive. It looks as though
Yeah.
peel strip.
probably never get 100% of that old gasket off. As long as you get 99% of it, you're good. As the new gasket will glue right back on there. Here's the part number on that gasket. We actually had a hard time finding this gasket. Ended up having to get it off of Amazon. Couldn't get a hold of Dometic. Awesome. Plan comes together. These gaskets are self-adhesive. Just pull the release paper off. Get a couple sides lined up. Start sticking it down.
That's the one we moved over a little bit.
Well, that's one of that. And then did it finally release? Oh, it did. It released out of the, so it restuck. Just a little bit.
Should we plug these holes up too?
Yes, we're going to. Just to stick it down. Because I don't know what you're going to have to do if you ever have to take them off, because they're like permanently attached.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the new gasket on, it's stuck, and I'm going to set the air conditioner back down.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Well, I guess I don't need to seal this anymore. Yep, get that one.
This will look like it might have to twist a little bit, but I'm not quite positive. Just looking at the, it might be pretty close.
Well, let me see if the second hole's here. Yeah, right there. right on top of it. Alright, we got it bolted back down and got the top of the bolt sealed. Now I'm just going to rewire it and put the shroud back on it and we'll be done. Alright, we got the air conditioner bolted down. We went down and tested it. Everything works. I'm going to put the covers back on and we'll call this one done. We're going to go down the road and work on another one. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my videos. If you want to get notification, ring the notification bell. Have a good day.